going to my office, and I'm running late as usual because in fact I wanted to eat some eggs. So it's the reason why I'm running late, because I made an egg. I boiled an egg. So anyway, so I have an egg for breakfast, as you can see, and I toasted 2 pieces of bread to go with the egg, and I'm going to spread some butter on top of the bread. And I've got some, I got some fromage blanc, which is a kind of yogurt but not fermented. But I've already shown you this several times. It's a French specialty. And I'm going to have this with these blueberries and maybe some almonds too. This is some, there are some almonds in this jar. And I think that's it. Yeah, and I've got this cheese. It's a Swiss cheese I've bought the other day. And I haven't finished, and I want to finish it because otherwise it's going to go bad. But not sure for breakfast. Maybe it's a bit strong, so if I don't finish it now, I will bring it later to my office. And of course, I made myself a coffee, and I added some milk. So now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, and I will see you later. This is my lunch. Welcome back to my office. I'm very hungry, so it's perfect. I brought some ground beef patty today. I made this yesterday night and I ate it this morning with some salad. So it's some mash, lamb lettuce, and with some vinaigrette. I made some vinaigrette to go with the salad. So it's a regular vinaigrette with olive oil, vinegar, and mustard. I made plenty on Sunday, and so I have a lot for all week long. I have a hard-boiled egg also, some water, of course, and more water in this bottle, and some cheese. It's the cheese I already shown you this morning. I didn't eat it finally, and so I brought it for lunch, and have a piece of comté too. So this is the Swiss cheese. And I brought some bread. I'm not sure I'm going to eat everything, but I brought 2 pieces of bread. And for dessert, I have some blueberries, the leftover from this morning, and an apple. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy my lunch, and I will see you for coffee. I don't know if you remember, but I filmed exactly the same place with this tree 1 or 2 months ago. I don't remember exactly. And there were a lot of floods. You couldn't see the road, in fact. And now, as you can see, it's a place for sunbathing.
Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned? Maybe we were twin flames in a past life, same souls with different names.
This is our dinner. It's a gratin I made on Sunday. Because I like to meal prep on Sunday, as you know, because I like to have 1 or 2 meal already prepped in my fridge, ready to go. And this way on Monday and Tuesday, it's easier to start the week. So it's a gratin. I'm going to add the footage of the recipe because I filmed on Sunday when I made it. So it's just layers of veggies and other ingredients, but you're going to see. And I prepped a salad to go with the gratin. It's a mash, a lamb lettuce. So it's a winter salad. I like it very much. And I topped with some vinaigrette. This is a vinaigrette I made with balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, and some mustard. Very basic. We got some bread, some water, of course. For dessert, we have some oranges, and I think we still have some leftover blueberries from this morning and the lunch. So I'm going to pull out the blueberries, and maybe we can have the blueberries with some yogurt too. And we also have some cheese, so it's a camembert. This is a camembert, and this one looks like goat cheese, but in fact it's from Co. And don't pay attention to the look of this cheese. It's because I store my cheese in a box. This way they don't smell in the fridge. And the box tipped over on its side, and it's the reason why it looks so bad. And but it's very, very good, very soft, very creamy. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy my dinner, and I'm going to add the footage of the recipe for the gratin for you just after this. And I will see you in my next video. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt, et restez pour la recette. Au revoir. I've just come back from the open market, and I got a very good deal with these zucchinis. It was €2 for 1 kilo. And so I figure why not making some gratin for next week. And I'm going to bring one to someone who is sick. But I'm not going to do the 2 gratins the same way, because for this person, as I have to puree everything because he can't swallow very well, I'm going to add some bechamel, because this way it's more flavorful and better when it's in puree, and easier so to puree, in fact, because it's more liquid. They are more liquid. And for us, I'm going to make a regular gratin with some cheese. And but I'm going to show you. It's very easy. It's just some layers of ingredients. So as you can see, it's very easy. There's I pull out 4 ground beef patties, have the zucchinis, some herbs, some diced tomatoes, and this one is a puree, but it's the same. And I'm going to pull out some cheese too. And as I said, I'm going to make a bechamel for the second one. is the first one, the one I'm going to bring to my to the person's house, and I didn't bake it too much because I'm going to reheat it this tomorrow. So it's the reason why it's not so brown on top.